of us who professionally use media are shapers of the society. We can vulgarize that society, we can brutalize it, or help lift it into a higher level. I'm Maria Susan Mathew of grade 11 of Greece Public School, Kaloor. The mass media such as the press, the television, the radio, and the internet play a significant role in our life, especially in affirming attitudes and opinions that are already established. They inform, educate, and entertain people. The interactive media, such as the television and the internet, allows you to talk back and respond, revert, and even participate in the goings. Media benefit the society by revealing scams and atrocities against women which will be otherwise unknown. By exposing or raising important issues such as political corruption, the people are able to hold the government accountable through public debates. It has also facilitated the people to get exposed towards other culture, to know our environmental needs and about people far away. The media provides information to the public in a quick and timely manner. It can warn us of impending bad weather, dangerous situations, and other happenings in our country. The role of mass media as an accountable watchdog of the society is vital for a democratic country like India. But nowadays, it is also engaged in distorting critical facts, omitting viral stories, and even supporting people with power. The influence of media is such that we the people know essentially nothing more than what we hear from them. The society absorbs whatever the media depicts. The media influences the way people look at the world and make them change the world. The media play a significant role in shaping up public perception and even the perception of each individual. Yes, media can and media is a mass brainwashing machine. We are constantly being bombarded with commercials of products to read, to eat, to drink, and to wear. In real life or online, as media has found out this art of persuasion or brainwashing to be very profitable. We are subjected to it on a daily basis. Our likes, comments, status, and updates are all used to design a perfect strategy for persuasion. When we are highly influenced by the media, our real-life experience increasingly gets replaced by mediated experience. The mass media has completely brainwashed and engulfed the whole new generation that whatever the media shows and says has become their true gospel, the ultimate revelation and the self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, it has become a challenge of this 21st century to live a life we want to and in the way we want to, as the media knows us better than we know ourselves. Whoever controls the screen controls our future, our past, and the present. So, be alert. Let another's wound be your warning.